Today I'm gonna make slime with 2 ingredients: cornstarch and dishwasher stuff. Yeah. So you're going to need to get some cornstarch and put it in something to mix with. So I'll be right back. Okay, so when you get that, I got a lot of cats, but once you get that, you're gonna need to get your dish soap and put a little bit in there. And then you are going to mix it like this. And cat. Okay, stop it. Okay. And after that, you're gonna add just a little bit more. And just keep mixing it. Be right back, since it's hard to do it with one. Just like this, you're just gonna start kneading it. Which, crap. If I can get it. Okay guys, I've been kneading this for a while and it turned into a slime type texture. And yeah, that's literally all you need to do. This cat is annoying. I got a lot of cats. Jeez. But yeah, you're gonna knead a while and then it'll turn out like this. Just like that. So yeah guys, if you wanted to make slime, then here you go. Easy as that. So, that was